Hi guys, welcome to Meeting with Daeja. Today we're making paper claws. And plus, this is my first time crafting in a video. Not my first time crafting, but my first time crafting in a video. And I just thought about crafting, so let's get to the video. And plus, like and subscribe to the video. Okay, so first. Okay. So first, I'm gonna go like this. You're gonna take this corner to over here. And plus this part right here, does not have to be pointy right here. It does not have to be pointy. It does not have to be pointy. It could be like, it could have like a, it doesn't have to be pointy that much. It just has to be close to being pointy. Okay, anyways, next, you're gonna take this and fold it over here. Okay. Plus, you can pause the video if you want. You don't have to do it as fast as me. Okay, next, you fold this. You fold the corner right here. You put this corner right here. And you leave a little bit space, some space between the part I just folded and the other part. You do the same with the other side. You fold the corner at the bottom up, and you leave some space in between. Okay. Now, if you got that step already, then next you're gonna go up like this. It doesn't have to be pointy, just like I said earlier. Okay. Pause the video if you need to. I'm just gonna repeat that if you forget. Okay, next, you're gonna go like this. Okay, so if you got that finished, then next, you're gonna use this part again and fold it on this side. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, then this part, the last part, which is the part where you're gonna finish, is a bit tricky. You have to get this part, and then you fold it over. Okay, and that's your paper nail. And I'm using the one I made earlier for a showing, and there you go. Oh yeah, by the way, I want you to see if you didn't like and subscribe yet. I want to see if you can like and subscribe in 3 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. If you complete the challenge, good job. And that's it for the video. And be like to like and subscribe. And make sure you always be awesome. Bye.